Hey friends, I got a wealth tip for you. Take your money out the bank. Yeah, I said it. Take your money out the bank. If you have a significant savings, please run. Don't walk to the bank. On average, you're only getting 0.023% interest on your money. And the bank is taking your money and they're investing it in life insurance. So here's what you need to do. Invest in life insurance. Invested in some type of permanent life insurance policy. Why? Return on investment on an IUL is anywhere between 10 and 15% compound interest. Wealthy people call compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It took me a minute to understand it, but now that I know, compound interest is you getting interest on your interest. For example, say you put $100,000 in a regular bank account at 0.023% interest. In 5 years, you're going to make roughly about $121. You put that same $100,000 in an IUL permanent life insurance policy, and you're going to make $21,000. You see how huge that difference is? And guess what? Not only do you have this money that's saved for you and you get interest on it, but it's also life insurance for your heirs. Do what the ultra wealthy do. If it's good enough for the Rockefellers, damn sure good for you. DM me if you want to get more information about life insurance.